Recording. Alright, so one of the cool things about 7-Eleven is the app. You can get free stuff if you go there a lot. Scan it every time. So my wife's coffee refill was just free. But also you can redeem those points. Like it's every 7th drink is free, but you can redeem your points for specific items if you want, which is nifty. Alright, so I'm gonna head back home. Climbed aboard Peak Minion. Road's a bit torn up here. It's kind of slippery over there too. I always try to take it easy. Forgot to reset my trip meter, so I just threw in some gas, a few gallons. Spilled a little bit on the tank too, which whoopsie-doops. But gasoline evaporates pretty quickly, so ain't no big thing. So 7-Eleven. Pretty cool place, I reckon. They're all over. I've been to them in various countries, various states. The state I grew up in, which is New Mexico, they have a store called 7-2-Eleven. Not affiliated, not nearly as nice as a lot of the actual 7-Eleven corporate stores, which are in most states. We lived in Oklahoma for a few years, and those 7-Elevens, they go by 7-Eleven actually, the same name, but they are a different chain of stores in the OKC area. They're independently owned versus the other 7-Elevens that are owned by the corporation that just has them all over. Also, the 7-Elevens in Hawaii, I found, are pretty much branded the same. They sell a lot of the same stuff, like Big Gulps. Wow, did you see that lightning over there? That was nifty. Anyway, Big Gulps, the same hot coffee cups and such, but they don't have the 7-Eleven chillers iced coffee in Hawaii. But what they do have is they have a lot of Hawaiian made and also Japanese made merchandise, like food and drinks and snacks, which is really cool. One of my favorite things is grenade gum, which it's got gum that's very, very strong, and it comes in just round balls that are, kind of like candied on the outside. They're like a hard shell on it. Once you bite into it, it's gum. And they're just really flavorful, especially the mint ones. Just like really icy minty, great sensation. They sell those in various flavors in 7-Eleven in Hawaii, which is, I loaded up when I was there last, but, I shared with the people I work with, and then they ran out pretty quickly, so no big deal. I'm chewing on the Ice Cubes gum now, the grape flavor. I sure do like gum. Chew it a lot.